my money big, I do my money talking. All these you, I really don't want you. My money been twerking, my money do dancers. Yeah, shut up. I already heard you, I don't wanna answer. You want everything, touch you a cancer. Yeah, I'm on that side when we win. No, he not that guy cause I'm him. Yeah, I run everybody right at the last at jail and come with that team. I don't wanna hear nothing that shit you say. You crap up the chinny to chin. I'm rocking the ladies, designer, the promise of purpose and chinchilla skin. Yeah, bitch in like copy the wave and I told them they can't even suck away on it. Yeah, they steady been copying my Sunday, some birthday a period if I'm being honest. Yeah, why you been copying about your whole life? How you rapping about a whole life? How you stay rapping about these damn drugs you ain't never tried with your whole life? Yeah, they kiss some motherfucking burgers, I call them fine guys. Yeah, he keep fried in that grease ball, yeah, he fly fried. Yeah, I just put up in that Bentley, they big got them for life. They turn up like the swing, but they bitches by their dicks. Okay, every time she set me up, there's 160 licks. Can't even count the songs I made in a month, there's 160 hits. They say Yeat keep on over off it. How you so steady with it? They say he how your pockets swollen. You gotta show me the shit. Gotta tell you how I'm doing this shit. I got the devil on my phone. He told me keep doing this shit. Yeah, devil told me how to get rich. How many bands? 6 was in the minivan, couple of big sticks. Better ride me like she on the wrist. Yeah, they say what's that? But they all just I tell them that's your bitch still. Yeah, I put up in that Tonga in the helicopter going nuts. Yeah. I had a 50 band and I turned it to 100, but didn't even need to go send me a deal for these bullet diamond, bitch, I'm already up. I got it look dirty, the bitch is the baddest, she up in that coupe with me, sucking me up. Yeah, my money big, my money talking. No, I don't need you, I really don't want you. My money been twerking, my money do dancers. Yeah, shut up. I already heard you, I don't wanna answer. You ruin everything, touch you a cancer. Yeah, I'm on that side when we win. No, you not that guy cause I'm him. Yeah, I run everybody right at the last at jail and come with that team. I don't wanna hear nothing that shit you say. You crap up the chinny to chin. Man, I'm rocking the ladies, designer, the promise of purpose and chinchilla skin. Yeah, bitch in like copy the wave and I told them they can't even suck away on it. Yeah, they steady been copying my Sunday, some birthday a period if I'm being honest. Yeah, why you been copying about your whole life? How you rapping about a whole life? How you stay rapping about these damn drugs you ain't never tried with your whole life? With your whole life.